Today, I'm going to show you an incredible way to earn $7 every single minute through pure passive income. The best part? You only need to set this system up once, and it's completely free to get started. You'll be able to receive payments through PayPal, Payoneer, or directly to your bank account. Let me walk you through this amazing opportunity step by step. Creating your unique designs with Canva. First, head over to canva.com. This is a fantastic free online design tool that anyone can use, regardless of their design experience. Sign up for a free account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look for the custom size option. We'll be working with inches, so select that measurement system and input 12 inches by 16 inches in the respective boxes. Click Create New Design to begin your creative journey. What makes Canva particularly powerful for our business model is its extensive library of design elements and its intuitive interface. The platform offers thousands of templates, fonts, graphics, and backgrounds that we can use to create professional-looking designs without any formal design training. This is crucial because in the competitive world of wall art, presentation is everything. When creating designs for business and entrepreneurship quotes, consider your color palette carefully. Professional color schemes often include navy blues, deep grays, and subtle gold accents. These colors convey trust, professionalism, and success, exactly what our target audience is looking for. Canva's color wheel feature allows you to create perfect color combinations that will make your designs stand out. Another powerful feature of Canva is its grid system, which helps ensure your designs are properly aligned and balanced. This is especially important for quote-based wall art, where text positioning can make or break the design. The platform also offers guidelines that appear automatically as you move elements around, helping you maintain professional spacing and alignment. For backgrounds, consider using subtle gradients or minimalist patterns. These can add depth to your designs without overwhelming the text. Canva offers various background options, but I've found that simple, clean backgrounds tend to perform best in the business and entrepreneurship niche. You can also create your own custom backgrounds using Canva's shape elements and transparency settings. For this method, we'll focus on creating motivational and inspirational quotes specifically targeted at entrepreneurs and business owners. Here's the key. We need to ensure our designs are completely original and free from copyright issues. This is where ChatGPT becomes our secret weapon. Leveraging ChatGPT for original content. Open ChatGPT and type, "Share with me short quotes for inspiration for entrepreneurs and business owners." Make sure these are original ones and not copyrighted ones. ChatGPT will generate unique, powerful quotes that we can transform into profitable wall art. When working with ChatGPT, it's essential to be specific about the type of quotes you want. You can refine your request by specifying themes like leadership, innovation, perseverance, or success. For example, you might ask for quotes about overcoming business challenges or inspirational quotes about startup growth. This targeted approach helps create content that resonates deeply with specific segments of your audience. Don't just take the first set of quotes ChatGPT provides. Engage in a conversation with it, asking for variations and alternatives. You can even ask it to explain the meaning behind each quote, which can help you better understand your target audience's pain points and aspirations. This understanding is crucial for creating designs that truly connect with potential buyers. Remember to keep a database of all the quotes you generate. This will help you avoid duplicates and maintain a consistent content calendar. I recommend creating a spreadsheet where you can categorize quotes by theme, length, and target audience. This organization will be invaluable as your business grows. Now, let's create our design in Canva. Take each quote from ChatGPT and craft it into a visually appealing image. Here's my proven design process. Select the text option and choose Add a Heading. I recommend using the Monorat font family. It gives a professional, clean look that resonates well with our target audience. Remember to capitalize the first letter of each word for that polished, professional appearance. Position your text carefully within Canva's pink frame guide. You'll want to play with the sizing and spacing until it looks perfectly balanced. For multi-line quotes, copy and paste each line separately, adjusting the size and positioning until everything flows beautifully together. This attention to detail will set your designs apart from the competition. When working with fonts, consider creating a hierarchy with different sizes and weights. Your main quote should be the focal point, but you might want to add subtle supporting text or attribution in a smaller size. This layered approach adds depth to your designs and makes them more visually interesting. Just remember to maintain readability. Even the smallest text should be clear when printed at your chosen dimensions. Downloading and preparing your designs. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save your work. Click the share icon in the top right corner and select the download option. Choose the specific page you want to download. Click Done, and then hit the download button again. Your quote image will be saved to your device. Repeat this process for each unique design you create. Introduction to Gelato, your print-on-demand partner. Next, we're heading to gelato.com. Gelato is an exceptional print-on-demand platform that offers a wide range of white-label products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and canvas prints. For those new to print-on-demand, here's how it works. You create the designs, and Gelato handles all the printing and shipping when customers make a purchase. This means once you've set everything up correctly, you can simply collect your earnings each month. Gelato is particularly appealing because it's free to use and available worldwide. They maintain fulfillment centers across the globe, making them an ideal partner for entrepreneurs anywhere. Their platform is incredibly user-friendly, perfect for beginners in the print-on-demand space. Understanding the market potential, let me share some inspiring real-world examples. Take the Etsy shop Kiki and Nim. They specialize in printable frames for business quotes and similar designs. They've achieved over 170,000 sales, with prices ranging from $3 to $14 per piece. Even at a conservative average of $10 per sale, that's over $1.7 million in revenue just from selling inspirational wall art. Another success story is the Divine Digital Print Shop, which has secured over 58,000 sales. With their average price point of $7.60, they've generated nearly $500,000 from their shop alone. Why this business model works. The success of inspirational and business quote wall art isn't just luck, it's based on solid market dynamics. First, there's an enormous market of aspiring entrepreneurs who actively seek motivational artwork for their workspace. These pieces serve as daily reminders of their goals and ambitions. Second, wall art has very low production costs, allowing for healthy profit margins. Since these purchases are often impulse buys, customers are willing to pay a premium for designs that resonate with them. This means you can price your products slightly higher than competitors while maintaining strong sales. Setting up your Gelato account. Once you've created your Gelato account, you'll access a user-friendly dashboard. Start by clicking on Store in the left menu to connect your preferred e-commerce platform. Gelato integrates seamlessly with Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and many other platforms, giving you flexibility in choosing your marketplace. Next, navigate to the product catalog through the left menu. While Gelato offers numerous product options, we'll focus on wall art for this strategy. Select the wall art category and choose the wooden frame option. I recommend the premium matte paper wooden framed poster as it's consistently a bestseller. Creating your product listings. Select the 30 by 40 centimeter, 12 by 16 inch size option. This dimension has proven to be the most popular for home decor. Choose a vertical frame orientation and black frame color, and ensure the ready-to-hang option is selected. Click Start Designing to begin creating your product. Upload your Canva designs through the File Upload option. Once uploaded, you can adjust the positioning and sizing to ensure perfect placement within the frame. Gelato provides additional design elements you can use to enhance your artwork, including text options, shapes, and even stock images. You can also experiment with different layouts if you want to create multi-quote designs. Launching your business. After perfecting your designs, save them as templates and connect your chosen e-commerce platform. Whether you choose Etsy, Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, or Squarespace, ensure you properly integrate with Gelato for seamless order fulfillment. This integration is crucial. When customers purchase from your store, orders automatically go to Gelato for production and shipping, while you collect the profits. Remember, success in this business comes from creating unique, appealing designs and maintaining a professional store presence. With dedication and attention to detail, you can build a passive income stream that generates $7 or more every minute. This is WealthWalk, And if you found value in this guide to passive income through wall art, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest money-making strategies. Drop a comment below with your country, and I'll create more videos specifically for your region. See you in the next one.